Hey guys, Mike Patterson back with you. So today I'm headed out to McDowell Mountain Preserve for a mountain bike race called Dawn to Dusk. Starts tomorrow morning, ends tomorrow, guess, at dusk, like it sounds. And anyway, long story short, I'm going to be camping out there, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity to see the tent come down as well as go out there and set up. So let's get to it. Alright, you guys. So, get myself focused in here. But that's it. So it is down by myself, tightened back up, ready to go. That's it. I don't know how long it took. It took 10 minutes from the time I started videotaping with 2 introductions, which I don't know which one I'm going to use. But it took approximately 10 minutes and 29 seconds from the time I did introduction and put the camera on the tripod from my GorillaPod and brought it down and tightened it up. So, thumbs up. It's you know, first time I've used it in the last 3 months. So it's getting to be that time of season for camping here in Arizona. So it is back on and ready to go. And I'll film the setup here in just a little bit. So that's it. I think I'll make this one short video and put it up, and then I will make another quick video on the setup when we get out there and maybe the breakdown. Anyway, you guys have a good one. We'll see you again soon. Give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you. Bye.